Hi, to launch Google Assistant on lock screen on this Poco F6, you would need to find Google app first. And for that, let me swipe up to open my app drawer. And here we can use the search bar to just enter Google. And yeah, here it is. So we are opening it, and now we would need to tap on our profiles icon in this upper right corner and go in the settings. And after that, just select the Google Assistant, and as a first step, we will need to set it up. And for that, go in the Hey Google and voice match, and you would need to just say out loud everything you would see on your screen. So let's try this out. I'm gonna enable it, retrain voice match model, and now we are just saying out loud those phrases. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. And now Hey Google is ready. We just need to tap next button, and you can see that it is enabled now. We can go back. Here, tap next. As we did before, we can start saving audio and images on your devices, or skip this step for now. And let me just return back in its settings. And for the lock screen, we would need to enable assistant responses on lock screen. And also you can enable this feature. And in the languages, you can select any language from the list for your Google Assistant and now And now let's try this out. Hey Google. So yeah, it's working. And I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.